everybody, it's SaskiaSketches, and in today's video we're going to be opening up a Scrawlrbox. I have actually already filmed a video for next week, but the Scrawlrbox came and I was so excited to open it, and I knew I had to do it on camera because otherwise I wouldn't have any content. I have a lot of cool video ideas planned, but I wanted the Scrawlrbox to be one of them because I really like doing this series. Alright, let's see what is inside. Whoa. Oh, look at that artwork. That is gorgeous. Wow. Guys, I'll have a link to this artist in the description. You definitely should go check them out. I love this artwork. Wow. I can't wait to see what the supplies are. Let me see, we have some paper. This feels very similar to the paper in the last Scrawlrbox, which I wasn't too happy with, so that's a tad bit concerning. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I'm really excited. Let's see what we have. Oh! Whoa. What are these? That's an eraser, that I can tell. And a pencil. Graphite H. Looks a bit like a Stabilo, but it's from Milan. It's the same brand. Ha! Yes, the prompt is paper tiger! I can draw a tiger! I love drawing tigers. So these seem to be paint markers, and they're really thick. Oh, this will be really awesome to make some like really bold line art. Because I usually work with very thin sort of lines, and I'm really excited to do something more bold like this, even though they're pretty thin around the details, but that's some really thick lines like these. I really like the look of that. Oh, we have two sheets. I didn't realize we have two sheets of paper. That's nice. But oh dear, it seems awfully thin. You can even see through it. Oh dear, because you know, paint markers, you're probably gonna need something that's a bit more sturdy. But let's not judge a book on its cover, shall we? We'll test the supplies on the paper first when we're doing swatches. Come on, get off. Ooh, this one is so thick with a double C. Come on. I really love working with shiny metallic colours as accents, so I hope this one is shiny. That would be cool. Come on, because I need some, like, I have some golden paint. I have some golden gouache and some golden acrylic, but it's not very opaque. And I've always wanted some like really opaque stuff, so that's kind of cool. Yeah. And this is, I guess, kind of a liner. Yeah, it's still pretty thick. I'm used to very thin fine lines. I usually like do my line art with a 0.1. Oh, this isn't as thick as I thought. But these must be really chunky. Oh yeah, look at that fat tip. I'm really excited for this. Cool sticker, like it has a tiger stripe pattern. So the prompt is paper tiger. I know what to do with the tiger part, but I'm not sure how to draw a paper tiger. This eraser seems so nice. It's very soft, but oh, I love the feel of it. It's very soft and nice and stuff. Yeah. All right. I think I want to test the supplies out on the box. Come on. Oh, there it comes. Can you see? Ooh. It's coming! Ooh! Oh, that's a nice deep black. Whoa. Oh, look at that! Like staring into an abyss. I love that. Oh no, it dries, it's a lot less black. My hands are gonna be sore after this. Come on! Oh! Oh my goodness! I thought it was black! It's silver! Oh, I love that! Whoa! That is so nice! It smells a lot, but that is so nice. Oh, if you guys remember, like a while back, I got a silver metallic paint marker in a Scrawlrbox 2. Oh yeah, it says liquid chrome. But that one ran out, and I was really sad about that, because I was using that in my sketchbook somewhere over here. Yeah, I was using it, if you can see that. But it ran out, and I was so sad about that. Now I have a new one! Yay! See, this one is probably white. Oh, that's very thin. Is it white though? Shake 20 times before use. Nah. I can't count this quickly. This one is a lot thinner. Ooh. It's very thin. Huh. Ooh, the big boys. Oh, that's nice. That is so nice. So nice. All right, last one. It's a good warm up. Please be glittery. Yay! Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's nice and shiny. Oh, I love this. I'm so excited. All right, let's get to creating. All right, here we go. So while I was swatching the supplies, I was thinking about the prompt, which was paper tiger. And I was really wondering, okay, so how am I going to make a tiger made out of paper? Or how am I going to depict that? And later on I heard that there's another meaning to the word paper. If you use it to describe something, it means tame or something. I don't know. I was not familiar with that definition of the word while I was making this piece. So I took it very literally, and I actually made a paper I actually made a tiger out of paper. And the way I do this you will see in a second. So first I am filling up the 2 sheets of the paper that were provided by Scrawlrbox with these 2 markers. So I made 1 gold and I made 1 green, and then I ripped the 2 sheets of paper in small pieces. And then what I did next is I sketched out a tiger on a canvas board, and I stuck all the small pieces together on the sketch to make it something of a mosaic. And I really adore the way this came out. So I really like how this tiger looks this way, because it looks like it's made out of paper and it looks like a tiger, so it's a paper tiger. And I've never really done anything like this before. I think I've made 1 mosaic. How do you pronounce that? Mosaic? Mosaic? I don't know. I made one of those things with stones when I was still in primary school, but I've never attempted it since. And I just love the way this came out, and I am really, inspired to try to do this again, and maybe make some other paper creations. And I just love the way this came out, and I love the process. It was such a fun thing to do and to attempt, and I just really liked this challenge. And the Scrawlrbox in the Scrawlrbox there was a card included that also challenged me to try and work on a different surface than paper. So that's what I did with the canvas board. I just used that instead of paper to stick it on, and I think that actually made for a better result, because the paper might have buckled a bit, and this helped it stay nice and flat. And yeah, I'm really happy that this piece turned out so cool, and I loved these supplies that I got in the Scrawlrbox, and I've used them to draw another tiger already, and I'm just in love with these.
So I made the tiger gold and the background green, and after I stuck on all the little pieces of paper, I went over with the other paint markers, so the white one, the chrome one and the black one, to add in some line art. I used the black one to draw the stripes and the details of the tiger, and the white one I think just for a few highlights, and then the chrome one I used a little bit in the background. And I'm not really a fan of how the background turned out. I think I should have just left it with green, simple, but you know, there's nothing I can change about it now, and it's fine, it looks good anyway. Yes, so thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I had a blast making it. Thank you so much for watching again, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more art videos every Friday. Thank you so much for watching, guys, for a third time, because I'm really appreciative of this, and have a great weekend, guys. Keep on sketching.